Welcome to the Tommie Hollywood, one of Hyatt's newest hotels in Los Angeles. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to help us reach our goal of getting 1,000 subscribers. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of our room in the hotel grounds, which features a vintage Southwest aesthetic. The beautiful lobby features warm desert tones and has lots of seating for working or hanging out. We stayed in a standard king bed with Hollywood Hills view on the 7th floor. With a focus on minimalist design, its standard rooms are only 195 square feet in size. There was no closet, so we hung our backpacks on the hooks on the side wall. The bathroom is bright and makes practical use of the space. Floor-to-ceiling windows made the space feel larger than it was, and we were treated to a wonderful view of the Hollywood Hills. Drawers underneath the bed provided additional storage, except the right drawer was completely occupied by the in-room safe. Our next stop was the Rooftop Pool, which further reflected the southwestern desert theme. Ample seating and panoramic views of Hollywood makes the Rooftop Pool an enjoyable place to hang out and catch some sunshine. The wall decor continues the desert theme. At night, the rooftop opens its bar, the Desert 5 spot. Desert 5 spot features both outdoor and indoor seating areas to hang out and sip some cocktails or beers. The bar has live music with 3 bands performing that evening. The fitness center is equipped with some of the latest equipment. Next up was breakfast at the Tommie Cafe in the lobby, before taking a stroll down Hollywood Boulevard to finish our stay.